right, part 9 here. Under the Wings 81. March. I forgot the date, sorry. Some feedback over here, guys. How are we doing? Listening to Amelia. Late, I think, Brazilian, I think. Portuguese language singer, beautiful singer. Beautiful singing voice. That's what I did for his identification badge as a prisoner at Buchenwald, as a political prisoner. Kind of going over the, like the jacket and tie I had started out my drawing with. That's okay, we'll just call it artistic license. Then I'm going to go over the areas in between with a very pale gray. It's actually much easier than drawing dots, like with a fine point or various point metal pen nibs, like in plastic holders, dipped in bottled ink. This is not necessarily to say that painters always had it easy. There's a lot of hard work for whoever, Cézanne, Renoir, Picasso, Van Gogh, a.k.a. Van Gogh. I think it was in the beginning of the movie Annie Hall, Woody Allen movie, which also starred two late actors, Diane Keaton and I forget the actor's name, but Woody Allen's character starts yakking about how Van Gogh's name was supposed to be pronounced like Van Gogh or Van Hach. Anyway, something like that, like Dutch. Okay, coming along. It really changes the whole feel of the thing now with that. Gives it weight down here. Add more. There we go. I hear some chirping. Thanks, Dr. Chi. She's a great art critic. Thank you, Dr. Chi. Okay, that's it for 5 minutes, 34 seconds. That's a long one. All right, to be continued. And once this is done, I shall start the allegorical Trump Nazi liking sea monster. And then I'm gonna draw a metaphoric bird's wing over here on his left shoulder, which will be on viewer's right. All right, there you have it for now.